As we've seen throughout this pandemic, communities of color have been disproportionately impacted by the virus, and leaders in Richmond and Henrico are using computer science and faith leaders to try and get the vaccine into those that need it most.
Okay, today we're giving you the Pfizer vaccine.
At the Richmond Raceway on Thursday,
This is your first dose, correct?
Vernon Wade was among the many
It's the biggest one we got.
Wow, that's amazing.
receiving a COVID-19 shot.
Everything was sort of well coordinated here. I thought of Chick-fil-A when.
But how he got here might have been different than some, as it was through a new pilot program between the Richmond and Henrico health districts to reach those most at risk of the virus.
We all have been hearing and seeing how the virus have been impacting people of underrepresented populations, people of color.
And the way they reached them was through faith leaders, who, as Reverend Dr. Emmanuel C. Harris puts it, have been on the front lines of the pandemic.
We've been doing COVID funerals since March of 2020.
This is one of the more at-risk neighborhoods, yes.
The program starts on a computer to find the high-risk areas using census data on factors like age, race, and even internet access.
As we zoom in to the different communities, all of these numbers and these graphs over here will change.
Then, in those high-risk areas, they pinpointed around 68 places of worship and reached out to those faith leaders to reach out to their congregants.
I literally called all my members myself.
The idea being those who may be hesitant about the vaccine will be more receptive to their pastor versus a government figure.
They trust me. And if I'm encouraging them to do it, then they usually will follow lead.
I think the faith leaders wield a tremendous amount of fact and making people feel good that it is something that is going to be good for their community